So today I'm going to show you what, in my opinion, is the easiest way to remove the viewer from a door knocker. It's the easiest way to replace a knocker. So let's get into it. Now there's the viewer for the knocker. And so in order to get it out, what I did was I took a drill bit. In my case, it was 5/16. It was the closest that I had to the hole size. I wrapped it with a couple of with 2 or 3 turns of electrical tape, and then I went ahead and put it in, pushed it in. I took a hammer and I tapped it in, and till it was nice and snug. Then I took my handy drill, I placed it on the drill bit, and I put it in reverse. And I'm not going to do it now because I've already taken it out and reinstalled it. But I put it in reverse, and it came right out. And then to reinstall it, after I painted it, what I did was the exact same thing, except I put it in the regular forward mode and the clockwise, and I drilled it back in, and it worked perfectly. It was easy to take out and easy to reinstall. Now what I did, because it was all rusty and ugly, is I spray painted it black. And in order to not paint over the lens, what I did was I put a piece of tape, clear tape, over the lens. And then I cut out the rest of the tape and just left tape over the lens. And then when I painted it, and then when it dried, the piece of tape that was over the lens, I just went in and I took it off. And it came out like this, looking really nice with a clear lens.